So this is lap 3. It's the 1 mile jog and 1 mile walk protocol for your sub-maximal assessment for measuring VO2 max. The equipment needed is going to be a 400 meter track or a layout of 400 meters, pencil and paper, a stopwatch, a scale, proper running attire, and heart rate monitor. So the jog test is for people that are 18 and 29 years old, men and women. It's a 2 to 3 minute warm-up with dynamic exercises that I'll be demonstrating right now in a bit. The 1 mile jog is a jog at a good pace. It's not a maximal effort, so don't run, jog. And the time limit for men should last at least 8 minutes, women at least 9 minutes, and the heart rate should not be exceeding 180 beats per minute. Now I'm going to be demonstrating the dynamic stretches or the dynamic warm-ups. So now we're going to be doing our dynamic warm-up. We'll be doing some lunges and some squats, some kick-ups. So here we go. All right, now that we're warmed up, we're ready to do our 1 mile jog. So now we're doing the 1 mile jog. Remember, it's not a sub-maximal test, so just jog. You do not need to exceed or go to your limit. Just a nice friendly jog for 400 meters. See you when we're done. Now that we've done our 1 mile jog, we're gonna check our heart rate. So we're gonna check our coronary artery. And all you do is for 15 seconds, you place your fingers by your coronary artery, count the pulses for 15 seconds. Once you get that number, you just multiply it by 4, get your heart rate. After doing our 1 mile jog, we're gonna do the Rockport walk test. Now, before starting this test, we're gonna do static stretching as a means of warm up. And then from there, it is a 20 to 69-year-old range for men and women. It's more for elderly people, and it's anywhere between a 5 to 10 minute warm-up. So it is good, once again, to administer sedentary and an older population on this test. You walk as fast as possible, and then at the end, at the post completion, you check your heart rate once again like we did at the 1 mile. Before we begin our walk, we're going to do some static stretching. I'll just give a few examples. Now we're ready to begin our walk. So you do your walk as fast as you possibly can. It's not a run or a jog. You just walk as fast as you can. And at the end, you take your time, and then you take your heart rate measure. So now that we've done our 1 mile Rockport walk, so we take our time, see how long it took us to complete it, and then now we just take our heart rate measure as well. So same thing, you check your coronary artery, wait about 15 seconds, take the pulse, whatever that pulse reads, you multiply it by 4, that's your number. And here is the equation to measure your VO2 max.